Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to cash out your crypto from Newton. This is a question that a lot of people have been asking me lately, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get started, I want to make it clear that I am not a financial advisor. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Newton is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. It is a relatively new exchange, but it has quickly become one of the most popular platforms for buying and selling crypto. One of the things that makes Newton unique is that it allows you to cash out your crypto directly to your bank account. This is a great feature for people who want to sell their crypto and use the money for other purposes. So, how do you cash out your crypto from Newton? Log into your Newton account. Click on the Portfolio tab. Click on the Withdraw button. Enter the amount of crypto you want to withdraw. Select your bank account. Click on the Withdraw button again. Your crypto will be transferred to your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. Cashing out your crypto from Newton is a relatively simple process. However, it is important to be aware of the tax implications and the volatility of the market before you do so. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto content. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.